Umbuzo umile uyaxoka na. A question asked by Uthandeka to Uthumeka after Uthumeka has slapped Uxolani for telling the truth. Did he lie? Love it for Utumsums Kesana. Now, the Mabandla family went to eat. Uthandeka even suggested that his men and Uxolani should leave the meeting, but Uthulani was like, no, we ain't going nowhere. We have to resolve things, even asking Uxolani to apologize to Uthumeka. But Uxolani was like, listen, I ain't gonna apologize to no one, and we ain't going nowhere. As a family, we need to discuss this matter. And at some point, you could feel a bit of remorse from Uthumeka, feeling shame, rather, that really they have to be told by a child what should be done. Now, Uthumeka later on asked Uxolani ukuthi, is he ready to become a dad? Uxolani, at this point, he have doubts, understandably so. You know, becoming a father or a parent is never something easy, let alone Uxolani to be expected to step up and raise Linkamva's child. Uxolani does say that, yes, he does care about Uzethu a lot, but really he does not know that he is ready to take further responsibilities. He also told his mom, Uthandeka, Uzethu is actually thinking to terminate the baby. At this point, he's not really sure if she should keep the baby or not. Understandably so, you know, the shock in Zethu. It's understandable if really she is not sure. Should I keep the baby? Should I not keep the baby? 100% understandable. But Uzethu, on the other side, she is dealing with her own stuff, okay? She have to confess to her mom, come clean that she is pregnant. The pressure that she is getting from her mom really is completely unfair from just one person. Her mom is giving her so much pressure. Also going as far as saying that Zethu have to help her take care of the family, and Zethu is unlike her sister who left her with 3 kids. Zethu is such a good child, and Uzethu, you can tell that because of so much pressure that has been put upon her, she is terrified. She is afraid to shame her mom. You know, she feels like she's going to be shaming her mom, and you know, she just feels so ashamed and that she has to carry all this thing by herself. Meanwhile, Uthumeka and Uhlati, the only thing that they talk about is becoming grandparents. Shame, they are so ready to become grandparents. And I feel like because they are ready to become grandparents, at the end of the day, it is Zethu's decision to keep the baby or terminate the baby. So I do feel like they will get a huge disappointment when Uzethu decide that she does not want to be a mom, and all their dreams of becoming grandparents will perish. Sana, feel sorry for Uthumeka and Uhlati, but yeah, I don't see their dreams of becoming grandparents coming true, especially because Zethu is so young and she's really receiving so much pressure from her mom, like too much pressure from her mom. One thing about Uthumeka, akalifuni tu iqiniso loya mama, not Uxolani telling uThumsthums ukuthi lalela makazi, you are legit the last person to judge me, okay? Because Uthumeka was all in on Uxolani telling him, Uguti, don't you have shame taking over your cousin's girlfriend, fiance even, because Uzethu and Linkamva were engaged. Uxolani was like, I'm going to take this opportunity to defend myself, okay? Makazi, you are legit the last person on this planet to judge me. You actually took your cousin's husband, okay, and your cousin was still alive. My situation is completely different because my cousin is no more, okay? And Uthumeka, yes, Sana, you know, if the shoe fits Cinderella. Uthumeka was like, how dare you speak to me like that, and release a hot slap. Not Uthandeka defending her son. Uba like, lalela kaloku, soze tumstums, soze, sanalwami, how dare you think you can slap my child like that, okay? And uthumeka uthi hayibo wena Thandeka awumvanga na ukuba uthetha nami njani, and uThandeka uba uthi nje uyaxoka na and I'm just like, oh Sana, I'm here for this two's drama. They've been friends for far too long. I'm here for the friendship collapsing, and I love it for uThandeka to stand by her son, and vele in such cases you really have to stand with your son. I'm like, good for you Thandeka, stand for your son, okay, defend your son. And I'm surprised why uThulani was just sitting right there next to Dabs and just looking at things like Haibo. Like at some point he looked very, very, very confused. Anyway, the Mabantlas now knows about Zethu's pregnancy. Like, I don't understand Uthumeka. At this point, I want Hlati to leave Thumeka, okay? Because I can't tell if Hlati is truly happy with Uthumeka. Uthumeka on the other hand, she's like, okay, you know what, Zethu is pregnant, that's fine. We have to be part of the pregnancy. And uHlangathu uba like, no, I hambi kanjalo kaloku lento. We have to wait for Zethu. Zethu has to be the one who is ready to come and tell us and inform us ukuthi no. She's ready, she wants us to be part of her journey carrying the baby. But Sana, not Uthumeka. Not Uthumeka wants to take decisions for Zethu and be like, no, we are the grandparents, kaloku, we have to be part of Zethu's child. Zethu was also very much disappointed finding out that Uxolani went ahead and snitched on her. Zethu is like, you understand what you took away from me? I haven't even told my mom, and you have already told the Mabantlas, okay? Like, I really, really hate how Zethu was portrayed as a gold digger, someone who wants to be digging some gold, and the Mabantlas don't look like they have gold either. I'm like, what gold does Zethu want to dig here, okay? Now, as soon as Zethu's moms find out about the pregnancy, she will try her best to convince her otherwise, saying it's very difficult to raise a child alone now that Linkava is not even around anymore. Things are going to be extremely difficult for Zethu, and to keep a baby is very much unwise. So it's going to be so tricky for Zethu, because there are Mabantlas, people who have never really welcomed her nicely, are ready to welcome her now that there is a child involved. And there is her mom, someone who has supported her whole life. It's like, this is a bad decision, babe. This is a horrible, horrible decision. Do not keep that child. So I guess everything else lies within Zethu. The Mabantlas can fight all the ones. They can fight amongst each other. But Zethu is the only one who lies with a big decision ahead. Does she choose to keep the baby? Or does she choose to just put all this whole thing behind her and move on with her life? I do believe that if Zethu can choose otherwise, it will deeply hurt Uthumeka. But again, this is not about Uthumeka. Sana, I just knew it that Xolani and Zethu's relationship will definitely come between Thandeka and Uthumeka's friendship. Now that everything is out, now that Xolani have told his family that Zethu is pregnant, and not only is Zethu pregnant, but it is Linkamva's child. Well, the old Uthumeka is back, calling Zethu all the names, saying that Zethu definitely wanted to trap Ulinkamva. Now, I don't know if Xolani will go further on and explain that she and Zethu are in a relationship and she has offered to help with a child. Now, that's what we gonna be saying this week. When I tell you that Cosmo drama is way better than the Sensen drama. Lalela, I just wanna live in Cosmo right now because they know how to deliver drama, okay? So, The Mabandlas are going through it after finding out the pregnancy of Zethu. And I think Uxolani will do one of the most honorable things to step up and offer to be a stepfather in his ways. He says this is what Lingamva would have wanted him to do, to step up and be a stepdad to his kids. Now, I don't know, okay? I don't know. I do know that Thumeka will be acting all paranoia. Thumeka will go as far as slapping Uxolani. This is when Uthandeka will be like, Sana, isibindi, iliva ekanakana, uyithathaphi. Uyithathaphi iliva ekanakana, ukuzoqhwaba umntanami ngempama, you know? And, Uthumeka will be like, did you hear what he said to me? And then Uthandeka will be like, uyaxoka na. And I think, honestly, Uxolani finally told Uthumeka a piece of his mind, what he really thinks of Uthumeka, that she is a hypocrite. I do think that Uthumeka is a hypocrite, and I do think that it's just a matter of time that Uhlazi realizes that, oh no, the old Uthumeka is back in surface. Now, I don't like how Uthumeka encourages Uhlazi to cut off the contracts that he had with the Zondo Technologies. And for me, that was very much hypocrisy from Uthumeka. I'm just like, Hlazi, please, you need to leave this woman for your own sanity. Now, we will meet also Zethu's mom, who will be so concerned about Zethu, that Zethu is pregnant, and going as far as saying, Zethu, do you honestly think that pregnancy is a joke? Do you honestly think that pregnancy is something that you can play with? Do you think pregnant is something to play kids? But Zethu will try to defend herself. And honestly, Zethu is not in a good position, considering that the Mabandlas really do not want her except Uxolani. I don't know, Zethu is the luckiest, and I'm grateful to Uxolani for actually willing and going as far as what he is going to make sure that he supports Zethu. And he needs for Uthandeka. I'm like, yes, Thandeka, okay. Someone needs to stand up for Zethu, because definitely Uthumeka bully kesana, bully. Hey guys, now one thing that we do not know is how will Hlatzi's relationship work out now, okay? Hlatzi's relationship, how will it work out with his brother, okay? Because remember that Thandeka is married to Hlatzi's brother. Xolani is actually Hlatzi's nephew, because it's his brother's son. So I don't know if it will affect also their relationship. But I do believe that definitely Thandeka and Thumeka's relationship forever ruined Gesana, and I am here for it. Oh, I don't know if this makes me a villain or what, but I am here for it. I'm here for the relationship being ruined. Thandeka's relationship and Thumeka. I want it to be tasted, and I want to see if really it is a real friendship, because sometimes I just feel like really Uthumeka can not be friends with anyone. He is very, very selfish. This is why I'm like, okay, now it's time for us to test, really, is it a really friendship? Is it a real friendship? Oh, hi, shame. Uthumeka evil. You know, I find it very, very hard to just reconnect with this woman based on her heart. Now, she refused to be grateful to Zethu, who gave a testimony as a witness. Kwi-appeal kalwandle. Listen, when I tell you that Uthumeka was more like, yeah, asibongeni uThixo, I was just like, Tums, oh, what do you mean? Let's thank God. I mean, yes, we should thank God, But in this case, you are supposed to be grateful because Uzethu didn't have to, Moreover, Uzethu is actually working for the Zondos. So for her to turn her back on the Zondos and not even care that in that point she is risking her job, but still she gave a testimony for Ulwandle. For the testimony that is favors uLinkamva, because she was in Linkamva's life and it also happened to her, and she was like, no, Ulwandle did not make a mistake on that night. Lwandle left us lying there, and it was definitely not a mistake. It's one thing to say you made a mistake by crashing a car. It's another to actually leave people that you clearly see that these people need your help. And Ulwandle, in that moment, in that instance, he left people that he could see that these people needs my help. So, yes, Uhlati had a talk with Uthumeka, which was about time. And, as much as Uthumeka was like, yeah, I see I might have been wrong, but I'm just like, I'm so over you, Tums. Meanwhile, the Zondos are fighting. It seems like Uhlengiwe was willing to do just about anything to get her son out of prison. I don't know if I should say she acted as a mom or what, but yeah, Uhlengiwe even staged the attack Galwandle. Unfortunately, Mr. Zondo find out ukuthi Uhlengiwe staged the attack Galwandle. Not Uhlengiwe also pushing that Mr. Zondo must fire Uzethu. Like, Uhlengiwe is not a good mom. Like, she is not a good person, let alone her not being a good mom. She's not a good person, because for the longest time, I was feeling like, okay, you know what? I feel sorry for Uhlengiwe. She's a mom, Any mom would do just about anything to protect their children, their son, But when she was also pushing the agenda of Zethu being fired, I'm just like, Uhlengiwe, no, you're taking it too far. Meanwhile, the Nguganas are still at it, trying to decide if they will put uAzande in a power. But it does seem like uAzande is not willing to back down. As much as Uzolega and Lazarus does not want to leave their company in the hands of Azande, as they feel like Azande is not yet ready to be a leader. But Azande is like, no, I'm tired of being treated like a child. I have been treated like a child for many times, and it stops here and it stops now. Right now, I am demanding what I feel like I deserve and it's due to me. Right now, I need to be in power. So, honestly, I do not know. I don't know if Lazarus and Uzolega will put Azande in power. Lazarus did say he still have just one more move in him, and we have not really seen him make his move. So perhaps they may not, I love the drama that Azande brings. I don't know if I'm toxic for it, but I'm here for it. I'm like, Azande, bring that drama. Bring it. I'm here for it, okay? Sana, we have a new forbidden love on Inimba. Yep, Uxolani is falling hard for Uzethu. In fact, they are falling for each other hard. When I say hard, I mean hard. Anyway, they decided that they're gonna just go ahead and date because, no one should control them based on what they should and shouldn't feel. Now, Uthandeka, Xolani's mom, is already aware of her son's feelings towards Uzethu. And shame, Bandla Uthandeka tried so much to reprimand Uxolani and tell him that no, to be in a relationship with Uzethu is not a good idea. If anything, it's a bad idea. It's a horrible idea. It's wada, but Uxolani is like, you know what, mama? I'm not about that lifestyle. Like, I'm not about that lifestyle. I'm not going to allow anyone to control me, tell me how should I feel and how I shouldn't feel. Anyway, this week we are also going to see and witness that uHlathi will also find out about this romantic relationship between uXolani and uZethu. It seems like our two young couples will not be able to keep their hands off each other. They will be so loving, and they will just want their hands on each other all the time until they are caught by uHlathi. UHlathi is going to confront everyone